this is Sam of B Sharp Guitars. With me is another Seagull, part of Godin Guitars. For those who do not know about Seagull / Godin, they are a Canadian company. And of course their guitars are made up in Canada. And they are generally not all that expensive. So anyway, kind of going right into it. Basically, it is your typical acoustic electric guitar. And there's an electronic control panel. Try to get a better look there. It essentially has a built-in tuner, which is very handy. It has a volume control and also a treble and bass control. Moving up there, there is the battery insert, and of course there is the jack for the cable. Anyway, moving on. As far as any certain looks and defects around here, it's got a little bit of scarring right here, especially around that sound hole, but is only cosmetic. I'm not getting playing issues. And of course there's some around the side. There's that. And also, this is the part where there used to be a little strap holder there, and that's been removed. And back is actually not too bad. It's usually the back side of guitars that kind of get the most scarring and scratching, because I think a lot of people just playing with big belt buckles. But no, in this case it's usually on the front. So anyway, it plays pretty good. The top is cedar, sides and back cherry, neck is maple, and the fretboard is rosewood. So quite a good combination there. Plays pretty good. It's a Dreadnought, so it's going to naturally have its own little bit of volume, but still very well defined. The neck feels pretty good. I have no problem, doing a lot of individual melodies. Something that's typically hard to do on an acoustic guitar, because they're mostly rhythm. Do some chords. But this feel pretty comfortable doing melody, so it's very nice. I would say it's really good for a workhorse acoustic guitar, something to take out to your clubs and parties, because it's already kind of taking its fair share of beating, but still holding good, and not be too worried about it. So really, that's about all there is to it. I am Sam of B Sharp Guitars. Over and out.